Hey y'all, Courtney here. Welcome back to my kitchen. And for those of you who are new, welcome to my kitchen for the very first time. My name is Courtney Futch. I am the chef and owner at Thunder Cakes Bakery, as well as the Spread Catering Company. And I'm coming at y'all today with some pretty cool stuff because I just, not even a couple of hours ago, collaborated with Fenty Beauty in order to produce an Instagram live video in which we cooked along. I hosted a number of people in a cook along, and what we made today was really cool because it was inspired by Juneteenth, which has so much cultural significance as it pertains to the way that Black people experience freedom in America and the hard-fought battles that we have experienced, in addition to the more hard-fought battles that there seem to be to go. It was really important that the Fenty brand celebrate that, and I was thrilled to be able to participate in it. So today we're doing a little bit of elevated soul food. Now, if you've been following my channel for a little while, you know that that's my spin on everything anyway, right? So this was like, I was right at home. And so today we've made a salted honey, orange, and black pepper glazed chicken, pan-seared. And then we did a brown butter grits, which is, by the way, just delicious and toasty and absolutely wonderful, and adds so much depth to grits, which are already delicious on their own, right? But then we're taking them up a notch, and I haven't heard anybody do brown butter grits before, but you know what? Maybe you heard it here first. You should keep doing it. You should continue. That would be good for the heart. And then also, of course, we're doing garlicky kale. Now, I really love garlicky kale. If you watched my last video, then you saw that I also made garlicky kale there as well, and it's because it's such a wonderful side dish. It maintains so many of the nutrients, and it's a really great way to treat your greens without a very long cooking time. That's really why I love it so much, and I find that it just pairs well with a bunch of different flavors, really holds its own, and gives you a lot of that good fiber that I think we're all needing as we enter into our late 20s and 30s and 40s and whatever age any of us are. Start at 18 if you can. So that's what we're gonna be making today. Wild. Insane. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. Go ahead and grab your ingredients. Because they are down in the description box below, go ahead and click on that little link. And we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'll see you at the dinner table. Bye.